Hello, Brave families! Welcome back to another virtual science fair. For today's experiment, we're going to experiment with light refraction. So light refraction occurs when light passes through a different substance and then skews what we see. So this is a really easy experiment, and all you need is a full glass of water, make sure it's glass that you can see through, a piece of paper, and a marker. So I've already gone ahead and drawn an arrow on my piece of paper. You can draw anything you want as long as you can tell which direction it faces, just to make sure that we know that it's flipped when we do the experiment. I folded my piece of paper in half, just so that it's at the right spot on the glass for me. You don't have to, just so it stands up a little bit better. Alright, so I'll get set up and I'll show you how it works. Alright, so as you see, I have put my piece of paper up against the wall to balance it. And let's take note of which direction our arrow is facing. So right now it's facing towards the edge of the paper. So now if I take the glass and I put the glass in front of the arrow, you can see what's happening now. The arrow has actually changed direction. So if this is the edge of the paper, the arrow is now pointing the other way. So when light passes through the water, it actually reversed our image and it flipped it, so it's facing the other way. So you can play with it a little bit. You can move it around. There's the arrow. Move it back. Whoa, look at that. The arrow actually looks like it's moving and getting longer because of the way that we see things through the water. So we got one arrow, and the arrow is the other way. So you can try this with all kinds of different things. You can draw a fish or any kind of animal and watch it flip around in the water. So that's called light refraction. So I hope you guys enjoy that experiment. As always, if you do the experiment yourself, please send me a video of it to spoland@innisfillidealab.ca and you could be in next week's video. See you soon.